In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add detail to image in Midjourney. Midjourney runs inside Discord, so we'll start there. Open Discord and head to the space where you use Midjourney, such as your direct conversation with the Midjourney bot or the server channel where you typically generate images. Keeping everything in one place makes it easier to compare results as you refine your ideas. Next, locate the image you've already generated that you want to improve. Keep it visible on your screen so you can quickly reference what's working and what needs more clarity. Look closely at the subject, the background, the mood, and any props or textures you wish were more specific. This quick review helps you decide exactly which details to add so the next render moves in the right direction. Now, in the message box, type the command imagine prompt and write your prompt with the extra details you want Midjourney to include. Start with the core subject, then layer on specifics. For example, if your base idea is a sleeping dog, you could add details like under a cozy blanket or wearing a knit hat. The clearer you are, the better. Think in short, descriptive phrases. Subject first, then modifiers, then environment and mood. Use commas to separate ideas and avoid contradictions. Instead of saying bright and dark lighting, choose one consistent direction. Here's how that could sound when you put it together. A sleeping dog curled up under a patterned wool blanket, wearing a small knit hat, soft morning light, warm color palette, shallow depth of field, gentle shadows, crisp fur texture. Notice how each phrase adds specificity without overloading the prompt. If a detail truly matters, name it. Materials, patterns, colors, and lighting cues are especially helpful. When you're happy with the wording, press enter to send the command. Midjourney will generate fresh results that reflect the added details. Compare what you see to your earlier image. If one element still isn't clear enough, maybe the blanket's texture or the mood, adjust your wording and try again with a slightly refined prompt. Small changes often produce big improvements. A few quick tips as you iterate. Prioritize the most important 2 or 3 details so the image doesn't feel crowded. Keep your descriptors consistent and use plain language rather than long, complex sentences. With each pass, you're guiding Midjourney toward the exact look you want. That's all there is to it. Open Discord, review your previous image, then use #imagine with precise layered details. With a thoughtful prompt, you'll see your images gain richness, texture, and clarity in just a few tries.